Brandy, you have some figuring to do. Oh? Yeah, a quote on the Wildebeest Lane house. I think we have to chop the house in 4 to truck it. Are you still fooling around with that solar bra? Sure, I promised. Looks like the dolly is fixed. Yes, turned out to be mechanical, not the computer. We have to watch making the turns too tight. But we can't back up. No, but we can go a half a yard forward and change the angle.
Hi, girls.
You two are off the Women's Soccer League.
Yeah, women in motion.
Relax, sports enthusiasts. Keep your eyes on your date. Anyhow, I got 100 on the local team. Workout and beer time, sis, for girls without dates. I have to check some tire pressures, then I will be with you. 20 minutes. I'll lock up. We can all leave together.
I'll send your sister in if there's any doubt.
Initiate DEFCON 1 normal. Tuesday night alert.
Roger. Should be a quiet watch.